TurboScribe AI review. Is this auto transcriber worth it? So TurboScribe AI is an automatic transcription tool that converts audio and video into text. It's designed for students, content creators, and journalists, and even businesses that need fast, accurate transcripts without manually typing. So let's talk about the pros and cons. So first, it offers fast and accurate AI-powered transcriptions. It supports multiple file formats and languages. It saves time compared to manual transcriptions. It's also useful for lectures, meetings, podcasts, and content creators. And then, it also is affordable with the pricing compared to human transcriptions services. Now, for the cons though, it has accuracy which may drop with the strong accents. It also is not 100% error-free and still requires human proofreadings. And it requires an internet connection as well, and it also has a limited editing tool compared to advanced transcriptions platforms. So overall, it is a solid auto-transcription tool if you need a quick, affordable transcripts of meetings, lectures, or recordings.